Hello, welcome, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video. It's to accompany my Etsy listing. It's for this rather lovely drum just here. This is a horse skin shamanic drum. It's on a willow wood frame. If I turn it over, you can see we have a beautiful branch handle on the back here. This is lime wood from off the land here. It's on, as I say, it's a willow wood frame. I've burnt some information on the inside of the frame. I've put horse skin and buffalo. I've also put birthed on the 14th of February, Valentine's Day 2026 in Knighton, Paris, UK. That's for all of you interested in the astrology and the energies around on the day the drum was birthed. Put the star sign in there for Aquarius and my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm going to play with two beaters, a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound. Both are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your drum. Let's start with a soft beater. Lovely resonance, nice thick sound, and a firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, I hope the video helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.